Even in the rain?
Yeah, actually it's best
Yeah.
because the cloud cover, so the fish are not afraid of the predator from the top. Because it's hard to spot them. So, and then it has some tree that covered it, I think.
Yeah, I'll get this for Charlie.
We can bring the thing on
Mm-hmm.
the bench. So you,
Are you sleeping, baby? He's sleeping right there. Can I go in the car to sleep?
that's how we pack it. Oh.
You might want to do too cold.
Sam can stand there.
Maybe it's feeling the rain.
Is it cooling?
In the rain, thunder, lightning, the wind is crazy.
It's
But the
beautiful.
fish are biting. It's just hard to cast, and it's cold.